Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aysh, please subscribe. Today's video is inspired by Ariana Grande's No Tears Left to Cry music video. At the beginning of the video, she's got that big dress on and she's in that like rotating corridor room. I love how her hair looks in that. It's so snatched, it is amazing. And she's got like this longest like Rapunzel princess ponytail in a plait. And I thought, oh my god, I need to recreate this. So I thought I'll quickly film this for you all. If you guys would like to see me create this Ariana Grande inspired hairstyle, then keep on watching. If I look at the image of her gorgeous hair, it is super sleek and up and it's plaited and we have a nice little plait going through this top section here. So what I'm going to do is start to sleek up that ponytail, then I'll tie the plait, probably leave a little section of hair at the front like this to do the plait. For my first step, I want to ensure my hair is detangled and ready. Then what I'm going to do is start to bring my hair up into a ponytail as sleek and as tight as I possibly can, and then I will continue the rest. I'm going to bring my hair forward, then I'm going to start to brush the back like this upwards with some hairspray and gel, and then I'll be back when it's ready to be tied. Because I want the look to be extra sleek, I want to use some Alberto Balsam Ultra Strong styling gel just to get my edges nice and snatched. So what I'll do is I'll squeeze some of that into my hand. I don't want to add too much because I don't want my hair to look like it's wet. I just want it to look neat. So I'm going to put that into my hair. As I'm getting the ponytail into shape, I'm just going to keep brushing with my favourite dense brush. Constantly brushing upwards like so. Getting all those edges snatched and smooth. No bumps. We don't want bumps in this video. We want it nice and smooth. All the way up. Make sure you get the back as well. That's where most of my bumps tend to show. Get some more hairspray onto the brush. Before I go any further, what I want to do is grab a small little section here, separate it from the ponytail, and I want this section here to be my little plait, because if you look carefully in the photos, she has a small plait tied up to the top of her hair. So I'm going to keep that out as I'm tying my ponytail. I'm going to go in with more of the styling gel just because I want all my little bits poking out. I want them all sleeked downwards. Now I'm ready to tie my ponytail. I will do that and I will be back in a second. Okay, now my ponytail is tied. What I'm going to do is continue to smooth out the sides before I tie the plait. I'm just going to put this behind my ear for now, just to keep it out the way. So now I'm ready to tie the plait. She has it very high on top of her head. So what I'm doing is tightening it more and more, and then I'm going to separate my ponytail into 3 sections. So that's 1, 2, and then we have 3. I want to be sure that each section of the plait has an even amount of hair, because I'd like the plait to look fairly even. As I keep tying, I want it to be super tight. So what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to have to turn my head upside down for this and then bring my head back up as the plait goes lower. I look like Cousin It now. As you can see, I'm working my way down slowly. You want to keep them really tight, because if you want to keep this, if you're going out somewhere, you want to make sure that it lasts. This short part of hair is a bit less than the others, so I'm just going to take a little bit of hair from here just to add some into it. So once I get to the bottom of the plait, I'm just going to take a really thin hairband and tie that very tightly. Then I will bring my ponytail back. Now I have my ponytail in place, I'm going to plait this small section, and then what I want to do, once it's plaited, I'm going to wrap the rest of the plait around the hair and then clip it at the back. Brush it through 3 sections and then plait it from the back. So when I get to the bottom, I'm going to split the ends of the plaits and wrap them round the ponytail. So now keep the plait in place. Keep wrapping that until it's got to a point where I can clip it in place. Take my bobby pin, get that behind the plait, and there we have the plait complete. So I think the key to this look is just make sure you create a nice sleek ponytail, and then you can do whatever you want with this part of the hair. And then I made sure throughout the process that my hair was all sleeked up and sprayed and stuff like that. That is my Ariana Grande No Tears Left to Cry inspired hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!